seen this girl, I have to say, how you? She ran away. I'm like, maybe another day. So one day I walked to the door and knocked. It was like, hey, how are you? May I speak to this young lady? She said, who are you? I said, man, I'm just concerned. Say how she doing. Seen her arguing with some nigga in the street. Said this cat looking like he had beat, but it was okay, so I just want to speak. Say, hey, how you doing? She said, my name is Val. I said, hey, Val, my name is Seth. She said, how you doing? And we went on the conversation. I said, yo, man, so much time came. Said, okay. I said, all right. Bam, 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 it was on that night. Next thing you know, we're kicking and speaking about hip-hop, tracks and all that. I remember when she spoke about Nelly and this other nigga from ATL, can't remember his name, but I said, yo, that's some shit. I said, it's only fly by night, but let me tell you some real hip-hop and how it goes. Gotta have breaking, gotta have b-boy, gotta have b-girl, gotta have DJing, gotta have graffiti, gotta have MCing, gotta have DJing, gotta have knowledge. That's all it goes. And she was like, wow, blew her mind. Then it was cool. 16 at the time, I said, man, whoa, she's gonna be a dime when she gets old. I don't mean old like an old girl. I'm talking about like wine that goes better with time. That's how love woman does. She flourishes and she gets better. Her mind got even better and iller. I say, yo, she was a dime at 16. Imagine when she's 30. Now look at her. Her degrees are strong and she's a master of herself and everything around her. Music is dope. I be like, wow, wow, wow. When the beat's dropping, wow, wow. When the beat's dropping, damn, girl, number one. My. This goes out to you.